Hello, good day. Today we'll be dealing with Biology Past Question 2019, Question 6. The part labeled I in the diagram is called the A. Centroma, B. Spindle fiber, C. Central, D. Chiasmata. Now, when you're given a question with a diagram, the first thing to do is to identify that diagram. This particular diagram is a metaphase stage of a mitotic cell division. A metaphase stage of a mitotic cell division. Now, to solve this question critically, we need to draw the diagram again. At the top, you have the central, you have the spindle fiber, at the equator you have the centroma, at the equator you have the centroma. You look down like this. Now, joining these centromas together, you have a chiasmata. You have a chiasmata. I'm sure with this little description, you agree with me that the answer to this particular question is C, central, because the central is located at the top, at the poles of this particular diagram. Thank you and God bless you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.